Hello and welcome back to Sitting Under a Table. So we still haven't found Dr. Morley's room rounds. But with a bit of luck today we shall manage it. Unfortunately, we found out in the last episode that the alien has picked up a new trick. And has decided to check out the lockers and everything because he's a dick. And I do not like what is going on there. Yeah. And that is not something I am particularly keen on, because it adds to the tension, and this game is already tensing off. Right, you may not also notice that my voice is a bit meh. Oh shit, he's here. It's a good job it can't read out from the microphone. Otherwise I would be screwed. So yeah, that is fucking massive. Now I want to go through there. Gets me into a new room. But not only does it get me into a new room, it gets me into a whole... Yeah, see, we go in here. We go down here. Collect that. We go in here. And then we panic. Wrong button. Oh, interesting. He hasn't come straight into the room this time. Can't hear him. Now I've got to go out of here. I've got to turn left. Leg it round there. Crisis stabilization unit. Yeah, that's not really it. Right. Ah, tits. He's here and he's coming straight for the door. I could be wrong. No, he's coming straight for the... I'm not breathing. He's making funny noises. Leave me be with your evil ways. He's over there. This. Ah! He heard me. Go away. Go away. Leave me be. I don't like you anymore. Well, I've never liked you. Like one of those exes that just will not leave you alone. Following you around. Yeah, you're not happy that... Ah, you miss me. Oops. Uh-oh. Investigate rooms on Dr. Molly's realms. Alright, so... oh, cool. There's a quick way back. Ha! Assuming I don't die here. What's that mean? What does that mean? Legend. Oh, item, tool or weapon. Ah, so I don't know what that could be, but I've gone past it. Oh, it's a map. Oh, is it? Jesus, it's just barging around the place like there's no tomorrow. Little git. Right. Let us see. He knows I'm here. It's so difficult to get anywhere when that thing's bombing about. That totally sounds he's gone. Has he gone in the vent? Don't know. Gonna risk a yes. Oh. Okay, yeah. Shit, he's here. Feel free to fuck off now. Jesus Christ, that was difficult. Return to Dr. whatever his name was, I forget. I can't remember the button. I can still hear him. Come on, come on, come on. Now I'm hoping. Bollocks. Now I've got to get... I think I can just go there. I think. Damn, stay away. Oh, I can make us a noisemaker. Oh, sweet. Right, this is getting freaking intense. Save point. Oh, there's one there. Please, don't be tight. Please, please. Yes! Save. We have got somewhere. Excellent. Not the most exciting episode, but we are on form for now. Right. Stop. No. It's fucking there. In we get. Piss off. Piss off. Piss off. Go away. Jesus Christ. He's in the vents. I think I made a little bit too much noise then. And Mr. Slightly use a bit too much tongue kisser.
Damn you, Kuhlman! You knew that thing was here!
Now that's unfair. I thought it might be there. There's a difference. Now, the passcode.
1702, okay? Now let's get down to the dispensary.
Of course, of course. A promise is a promise. I'm sorry for putting you through this. I'm going to step into the other room to punch the code in and prime the elevator. Then we can use the keycard to take the elevator down.
Yeah, you can see where this is going.
There. I'll collect my things and we can leave.
Yeah, you say that. Bye-bye, Mr. Kuhlman. Didn't see that coming a mile off.
Oh, God.
Keycard, please. Ooh, shit. Jesus Christ. That was kind of intense. Find a trauma kit. Oh. Screw trauma kit. Save game. Yeah. That'll do me nicely. Okay, so I'm calling it quits for this episode right here. Thank you for watching. Oh, maybe I'll get into some sort of hidey hole. Hello, hidey hole. Yeah, so that's it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you very soon. Catch you later. Shit! Well, you bitch!